What's up, my lovelies? It's Debo here with your Vocal Tip Tuesday. Here's tip number 1. If you ever feel like it's difficult to access full breath while you're singing, try this fold over technique. This quick exercise will activate your core and your diaphragm while keeping the rest of your body nice and relaxed and loose. First, drop your entire torso down to the floor and make sure to bend your knees so they don't lock up. Now take a deep breath in for 4 counts while raising your torso about halfway up. Exhale for 4 counts with tone, dropping your torso back down to the floor. Repeat this about 5 times and then raise your torso up gradually to a standing position and roll your shoulders back when you get to the top. You might feel a little lightheaded, yes, it's a lot of air, so be sure to take your time when you're standing up or sit in a chair for a little bit. With that, your blood will circulate around your body much faster. It'll bring a lot more oxygen around and give you more access to more air. That's tip number 1. I'll see you next week for the next Vocal Tip Tuesday. Peace.